Hello, fifth grade. I'm so happy that you are here. I want to say congratulations because all of you are doing an excellent job, and I can't wait to meet you tomorrow at the Zoom meeting. So please be there and try to be on time so we don't miss any more time, because sometimes we have problems. But today we're going to do a review about how about plus verbs in ing gerund. Okay, so remember that always these kind of questions start by how about, and then we are going to use the next verb in ing gerund. For example, I show you this picture, this chart. This information and it's explained super well. How about going to the cinema this evening? Remember that when you do these kind of questions, you also need to write introduce the gerund in your answers. For example, okay, I love going to the movies. Or if I will say, how about going to the cinema this evening? I say, no thanks, I don't like going to the cinema. But also, always, that verb needs to be in gerund, okay? So, we're going to go to activities on page 11 from the workbook, and it's the last page. It's also the review from the unit, and it says activity 22. Where do these activities usually take place? Write them in the correct column, and you have a box and it says act on stage, play the guitar, join the track team, play soccer, play baseball, write articles. And this guy says inside or outside. So you are only going to place them. It's super easy. If you don't know what means inside or outside, you can find it on the internet. Inside, it means the activities that you can do at home, at school, or outside are the activities that you can do at the park, okay, or out at a stadium, for example, sports. So, activity 23, it says, write questions with how about and the words in parentheses. Then look at pictures and complete the answers. Okay, so here we can see 3 pictures, and they are like imagining they having an idea. You need to write questions with how about. Remember, your questions need to start by how about. So, number 1, you have Peggy is asking to Carla, and the information says try out for soccer team. And the answers of Carla says, no way, I know I only play blank. Okay, you also need to complete the answer of Carla. And Peggy will say, I'm going to give you the example, okay, so you can follow this idea. Okay, and the number 1 will say, Carla, how about trying out for the soccer team? Okay, I'm using Carla. Please pay attention. How about trying out for the soccer team? I'm also using try out for and also soccer team. Remember that try out, and in this case sign up, in this case join, they need to be in gerund, okay? One more time. Carla, how about trying out for the soccer team? Okay, soccer team is going to be at the end of the question. Don't forget this. These are questions. And the answer of Carla says, no way. You know I only play, for example, I only play, what kind of sport? A different sport. I only play for football or soccer. No, not soccer. I only play baseball, a different sport, okay? You need to give a different idea, okay? So, If she's saying her answer is no, you need to give another idea, another choice. Or maybe in the other examples, in the other sentences, they are saying yes and positive answer. You will say, I enjoy writing for the school newspaper, or I'm interested in playing instruments, for example. Okay, and that's it for today. This is quite easy, so you don't get stressed. Remember, as I said, that you need to write your name and the date to this page. Okay, remember that the videos always have the date, so you don't miss and you don't get confused. Don't forget to be on time tomorrow. I'll be expecting to meet you there. And remember that tomorrow we are going to use the Step Inside book. This is the Step Inside book. It's orange and it's a little too big, but it will be okay. So if you don't have the Step Inside book, don't worry. I'm going to show you the pages in the class, so don't worry, it's not necessary to have it, only to do the activities. But I'm also going to send you the activities, the pages, so you can do it. And I'll see you the next time tomorrow. Be on time and bye.